Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you for watching. If you are looking for other resources on the Shopify platform, please subscribe and check out the Mastering Shopify playlist. In this video, we will be going over how to create back-in-stock alerts in Shopify. This is great to have for customers when you sell out of products pretty quickly or you have seasonal products and you want to make sure that you don't lose your customers just because of an out of stock product. So creating a back in stock alert gets your email and product back in the face of the customer so that they can come and purchase once the product is back in stock without losing them. So to do this, we will need to go to the Shopify App Store and get the back in stock alert app. So to do this, we will go to apps and shop for apps. This will open up the Shopify App Store where we will be able to search product alerts. For this, we will be using the Booster Back in Stock Alerts app. So we will open it up, and initially we see that this is a free app. We're able to see the reviews, and we're going to click Add App. This will add this app to our Shopify store. Click Install App. And you will be brought into the Booster Apps dashboard. From here, it gives you a couple of information about their free platform, and you're able to click Start to start the 60-second install. So we'll click Start and go through. Here you can update the information for the back in stock notification. Now this is for browser notifications, which you can preview. You can update the text here in the description that you will shown to your customers. Then we will click preview and continue. Then we will click continue. From here, you're able to set up the widget that will live on your out of stock products. So you can turn the back in stock button on, update the information here, and brand it to the colors of your store. You can also change the color of the text. And once you have that set how you would like, then you are able to hit save and finish. This will finish the setup and it will be added to your out of stock products. So once it's done, it will bring you back to the dashboard of the Booster apps. Here we see you are now preventing lost sales. Does everything look good? So if you have out of stock products, and you can go and review your products. And if everything looks good, we click yes, and we will now be redirected to the dashboard. Now back on the dashboard, you're able to see how many people have subscribed to your back in stock notifications, how many messages were sent. They have a getting started video that goes over the install of your app. You're also able to go to reports and review how many sales you were able to recover. On the left hand side here, you have your main navigation where you can always come back to your dashboard, and there's a product section that will list the products that you have that are out of stock and will track those subscribed products that your customers would like to be updated with. And under settings, you are able to update your widget, your store information. Under settings, you're able to make changes to your back in stock button, the subscribe form, add in your delivery policies, and your push notifications. So this will be the form that your customers use to get notified of out of stock products, and delivery policies will say for how many. With delivery policies, you're able to turn on the notifications and the minimum amount of inventory. So as long as you put more than one product for that stock, it will send a notification. Then you have your settings for your push notification, and you can send notifications to yourself to view how it would look. You have your support section with your help center, and you're able to see a setup video of your store. So that is how to add back in stock alerts using the Booster app in Shopify.